The era of the smartphone video has begun. Today, smartphones help us share not just the everyday moments, but also allow us to capture those exceptional bursts of life. f1.8 aperture, 4K resolution, 240 FPS. Every new generation of smartphone is endowed with more powerful cameras, featuring higher resolution and multiple lenses. Now there is an intelligent gimbal to go with that fancy smartphone. Introducing the MOZA Mini Mi. The MOZA Mini Mi is a smartphone gimbal packed full of filmmaking features, such as face tracking and wireless charging. The MOZA Mini Mi can support the majority of smartphones, such as the iPhone X and the Samsung Galaxy. The MOZA Mini Mi's wireless charging makes it easy to film all day long and still have enough battery to share those videos. The MOZA Mini Mi's intelligent handle allows quick control over camera and gimbal functions. Camera-like wheel and button layout place intuitive controls within a thumb's reach, so you can focus on capturing those joyful family memories. The MOZA Mini Mi has one-touch quick launch, multiple filming modes such as Inception mode. With the help of the MOZA Mini Mi, camera movement and subject focus are under your control. The MOZA Mini Mi is not your average smartphone gimbal. Open its app and it becomes an intelligent gimbal when used with the MOZA Genie app for iOS and Android. Amazing action can be captured and perfected by using the MOZA Genie's on-screen controls to lock focus and aperture. The MOZA Genie app can also capture hyperlapses or be set up for an extended motion time-lapse. If you are keen on smartphone filmmaking or just starting out with your first video stream, the MOZA Mini Mi is the perfect match for your smartphone.